Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. That begins now. Today I'm making a video, and not just an ordinary video, a Blender video about cloth simulation. So yeah, and let's get into the video without further ado. Okay. So once you go into Blender, I'm using Blender 4.1 up here. You can basically delete the cube and the light, and this is the demonstration. I'm gonna be demonstrating cloth simulation right now. You can follow along if you want, but later on in the video I'll make a cool little thing with the cloth simulation. If you want to skip to that part and just make that, follow along with that. But you can watch this demonstration. So first, add a UV sphere, shade smooth. You can add a they updated it, subdivision surface, and then we can add. So this is going to be like the thing the cloth falls on. Mesh plane GZ, and this is going to be the cloth. So basically this is going to fall on this, and this is going to have the collision while this has the cloth, because this is the thing that's going to be the cloth. Like, it's going to, like, this is the thing it's going to fall on and like do the cloth simulation. So if we select this, go to physics, and then press cloth. If we press play, it doesn't do anything yet. You can see though it made this like blue line, which kind of means like that's the animation of the physics or something. That's not the point, but like it doesn't do anything right now because oh my gosh, how would I do? It's kind of slow as well because of this. But if we select the sphere and press collision, and then now if we press play, it should now it does that. It doesn't look like a cloth because we have to if you select the cloth. Oh wait, let me rename these stuff. So cloth, and yeah, that can stay a sphere. If you go to edit mode, it doesn't have any loop cuts yet, so we can press subdivide, set this to 10, and now this depends on your computer level. So if your computer is relatively small and can crash easily, set it to a low number of cuts. But I'm gonna set it to 10, and I'm gonna subdivide it again because my computer is pretty strong. If you go to object mode now, and if you press play, you will see something cool. Whoa, damn. You can see it does a cool cloth thing, and it looks, if you don't like the look of this, I mean you won't like the look of this because it's cubey, but to fix the cubiness, add a modifier on it. So selecting the cloth, add a modifier, subdivision surface, everybody uses it, set it to 2, right click shade smooth. And now if we play the animation again, now it shows it goes through a bit, which I will fix later. But first I want to add some thickness to this, so I'm going to extrude a bit. Just add some I'm going to add some thickness, and then if we press play, it still has the thing, but I'll try how to fix that. It does it, but one of the problems is, look at this thing. So to fix this, basically you have to go to selecting the cloth still, go to physics, close physical properties because that's taking too much space. Close that if you want. Go to collisions, turn on self collisions. You can change the distance if you want, but I think that's fine. Wait, let's check it out. Should be good. Boom. Yeah. Wait. That's pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good. And then you can then to fix the problem with the like sphere going out, that thing, go to object collisions, set the distance to maybe like 0 0.1, maybe. Let's try that. It still does it a bit, so you can maybe 0.2. Oh, what am I doing? Yeah, it doesn't do it that much. But just to show it, I'm gonna make it really, really high, and you'll see that to show it actually works. You can see like it's stopping there, like it isn't touching. But anyways, that's basically the cloth simulation. You can do cool stuff with this, and yeah, yeah, basically that's it. You can add some fuzzy texture to it, add some like hair, some fuzzy things. I don't know, make this fluffy. Okay, I probably just made it crash. Yeah, I probably just made it crash. By the way, guys, this is how you this is how you get a Blender file that you haven't saved but you want it back. Go to File, Recover, Autosave. It's probably this. Yeah, it's this. Yeah, so back to what I was saying, you can change the fluffiness texture. You can go up to that, make it really, really fluffy. You can go like do like something curve, strip. You can do some cool stuff with it. Now we're gonna move on to the making a cool object scene cloth thing that I'll be showing right now. So if we add mesh cube, yeah, and then we can SZ scale it down, S scale it up now, SZ this, SX this. That's basically it. Edit mode. No, not edit mode. Now we can add mesh cube. GX. Move it up to here. That looks pretty good. Then we can move this one, GY, here. SX S. Can move it a bit here. Select this, edit mode, Control R, right click, and then go to X-ray mode. Go up to the top view mode. Select this view, this half of it, the half that doesn't have this cube on it. Press delete faces, then go out of X-ray mode, then go out of object mode, and then go out of edit mode. Then select the cube, this small one. Go to edit mode. Go to face select. Move it up. You move it down like this, and then we can do the same. Control. No, it was Shift D. Right click, and then go to Z mode. GX. Move it here. And this time, if we go to edit mode, we can move this down. Okay. Select all three of these. No, except the camera. Remove this thing. I'm making this big because then you can zoom in a lot closer and like make small details. But if you make it small, it's like you can't really zoom in that much. But yeah, it doesn't matter about the size right now. And then we can Control J. Control J. No. Shift. Control J. Shift. Control J. Okay, and then add a modifier, mirror. We can. If this is not working, so I think we should GZ move it down. Okay, now it works, and then we can add. Oh yes, go to edit mode. Add Control R here, Control R here, E, move it in, Control R here, Control R here, and then select face select, E, move it in, and that's basically it. To add more, more fashion like, we can add a loop cut there, and also add a loop cut here, and also add a loop cut there. And then we can go to face select, add a loop cut here, add a loop cut here, and then we can go in this mode, face select, E, to add a bit more texture cooliness inside of it, and then we can add it on the other side. You can basically skip this part because I'm just editing it and adding more detail to it, but you can skip this part. Done. Wait, actually, yeah, just do it for this as well. And do it for this as well, just to add more cooliness. And then back to work, add mesh, cube. This is gonna be the mattress, GZ. We can go to this mode. Yep, okay, that's online. That's aligned. SY. You can go up to Z mode. SY. Okay. SX. SZ. GZ. SZ more. Make it a bit more scaled on the x-axis. Doesn't have to be perfect because this is not the main idea of the scene. But and then we can add a subdivision surface, add modifier, search, bevel, yes. And now if we add more segments, wait, I just need to fix something. I forgot. Control R. Add a loop cut there. E. This. Control R. Control R. Make one there. Make one here. And then we can E. Can add a little thingy. And you can also add a little thing here to make it more cool. Add also a bevel, just a bit. Shade smooth. Shade smooth. Then shade flat. We don't need a shade smooth. Then what we can do, wait. First of all, X, delete faces. Delete faces. Okay, done. Okay, add mesh plane, GZ, S, go to Z mode, SY, SX, GX, right click, subdivide, 10, right click, subdivide again, and then E, and then, okay, and then you can add a modifier, no, go to physics, add a cloth, this, add a collision, and control A, all transforms, right click, shade smooth, add a modifier, subdivision surface, hopefully it works. I should make it lower because it's falling down slowly. Okay. If we make the end maybe 500, and if we move this down up to here probably, and selecting the cloth, go to this. No, go to this. Go to self collisions, and actually we don't need self collisions. Actually we do. It doesn't matter. And then objects, 0.2. Maybe change it to 0.1. Yes, that's pretty good. And then we can add mesh cube, GZ, GX. Over here, G, and then S, and then R, and then S, S, Z, R. And then we can adjust it a bit, like, to make it lower like this. And then, of course, add modifiers, subdivision surface, add modifier, subdivision surface, go to edit mode, control R. We don't want to make it too much because it's not that sharp on that angle. And then you can like that, and basically it's all done. But yeah, this is basically it. We've got a cool animation of a bed and a cloth lying on it, so that's pretty cool. And subscribe, like, and hit the bell, and hope you like this video. And I'll see you in the next video.